Welcome to IES University Bhopal. Picture a world where the impossible becomes possible, where dreams are transformed into reality, and where innovation knows no bounds. It's a world where creativity meets technology, and the future is limited only by our imagination. At IES University, we take immense pride in being one of the finest and most prestigious universities in Madhya Pradesh. Our commitment to excellence in education has been unwavering, and our legacy is built on a strong foundation of knowledge, innovation, and inclusivity. Step onto our campus, and you'll enter a world of possibilities where dreams take flight and aspirations are turned into achievements. We're not just a university, we're a community of thinkers, doers, and dreamers who believe in pushing boundaries. Our world class faculty members are not just educators, they are mentors who guide, inspire, and empower our students to become leaders of tomorrow. With state of the art facilities, cutting edge research centers, and a rich cultural heritage, IES University offers an environment where students thrive academically and personally. But what truly sets us apart is our commitment to inclusivity and diversity. We embrace students from all walks of life, providing them with a nurturing and supportive ecosystem that fosters growth and creativity. Our vision is to empower every individual who walks through our gates to become a global citizen, ready to make a positive impact on the world. So, if you're looking for a university that combines tradition with innovation, that values excellence and inclusivity, and that stands as a shining example of Madhya Pradesh educational prowess, look no further than IES University. Join us on this remarkable journey of learning, discovery, and personal growth. Together, we will shape the future. Come, be a part of IES University, where excellence knows no boundaries. IES University Bhopal. Let's make future together.